Hey everybody, it's Neil, and if you have a Chromecast or Google TV or something like that, and you don't have your remote, I got this option for you here. This one here is a replacement remote. So how cool is that? That you get this one here, and it gives you the ability. It says this new remote. Here, I'll get you guys zoom in on it here. So this is it. If you need it, you can probably pause and zoom in, but it says the universal remote is compatible with Chromecast 4K, and the voice remote is for all these different brands. And it does with the Google Voice replacement there, and you compare it just like you normally do and everything like that, you know, holding these buttons down and stuff. But if you look at it, the buttons look just like the originals. You've got the little volume ones on the sides and the go button, Netflix and YouTube. So you've got everything you need right there on it. It comes with 2 AAA batteries. It doesn't come with the batteries. It takes 2 AAA batteries, and you are ready to go. So look at how nice that remote is. It looks really nice, and it's going to work with my Google Chrome, and so I am excited for this. I'm going to say thumbs up for sure.